Hello guys and welcome back to my channel the Hierophant 111. And guys, right now we are going to be doing love scopes for water signs, and the first sign I'm going to be taking is Cancer. What is going to happen in the first week of December for your love life? So let's go on with the reading, guys. Let's see what's going to happen for Cancer in the matters of love in December. Okay, so I see, guys, that there has been some issues where finance was involved between you and your person. I said I'm going to be doing love readings, but something ended because of money. Okay, something ended because of money issues, and your person maybe or you did not have the financial stability or a career problem over here, and your person might have said some hurtful words to you before, and this is why you felt like defending yourself. You felt like I have to defend myself. Okay, or maybe you were too rich and they weren't rich enough, or they weren't wealthy enough, and this is the reason why they got angry on you and they started showing toxic behavior. So that is the reason why I see you making be trying to be happy with your own self. And in the month of December, in the first week, I see you coming more balanced, and you is re-establishing your balance in your love life. I also see your victory. Okay, if this person went away, they are going to come back to you, and you are going to feel like a magician. You're going to feel amazing. Okay, you are the Queen of Pentacles. You are the beautiful rich queen, who has financial stability, who has everything. And that person is a person who has lack mentality, and that is the reason why it hurts their ego and they suffer a lot. So it wasn't your mistake in any ways. But in December, what I see coming is you having victory, you having everything that you were wishing for. The wheel of fortune will turn in your favor. Okay, guys, and you will if you are operating from less spirit, like self respect is missing in you, or you don't value yourself, lack mentality in love. So that is going to change. I see a lot of inner conflict because of this happening and I also see your heart and head. It's going to be a conflict whom to choose. Because you have learned to value yourself, and this was not before. So in the week of December, I see you trying to end things if it is necessary, and value your self respect. So you are going to be successful. Your victory is going to be in this part where you learned things and you applied them in the right way. Okay, this is for Cancer. And let's see, guys, what is the messages from your person if you are a Cancer. My responsibilities are my weakness. I'm not a bad person. Okay, so your person might have the responsibilities, and that is the reason, or you had some responsibilities and you are telling this to your person, but it is more from your person that they might they might give up on you. I behave in a possessive way because I care for you and I want to protect you. Guys, all this anger was and possessiveness what they showed on you, and was because they wanted to protect you. This is what they have to say for you. Okay, and they say be patient, I'm changing for you. This person has a lot of anger issues, and they keep their self-respect always. And if you fought for your rights, and you fought for what was right for you, you know, y'all must have end up in a separation, and you know, jealousy and all these tendencies are a lot in your person. So you did the right thing, guys. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, you, even if it causes a lot of conflict in yourself, just let it go. Okay, and y'all are going to learn to end things if they are not right for you. Okay, so let's see what signs, you know, alphabets and initials you all have. I see V over here, guys. I see U. I see O. Okay, Y, A, and B. So these are your alphabets, guys. So I'll repeat them again: V, U, O, Y, A, and B. Your person or your initials might start with this. I see someone, they are wearing a mask in front of you. They are, till today they were wearing a mask, and you know, that mask came off by mistake during their arguments with you. So now again they might put on that mask and try to show you that they are a lovely person. This is what I'm getting over here to be with, you know. So don't get confused, and you all have learned something. Please apply it. Again, travel is required. Again, I see y'all are destined to be together, but y'all are away for a reason, right? Y'all have to learn lessons. I see there is love between you two. They do, you know, get messages and music. You do get music for this person. Again, you know, y'all have built something with each other, but the person was wearing a mask. That is what I'm getting over here. They are trying to change for you. In December they will you know, try to change themselves completely. I see them wearing specs more, you know. Again, a US has come here for many people. Again, they will come with you with a flower. They'll come to you with a flower. So all this is for Cancer, guys. I hope you all liked my reading. If you all are still confused for the month of December, first week of December, I see them realizing and coming to you for apology, with an apology, and asking you to, you know, come back to them. Okay, so let's get this reading over. Do like, share, and comment on my channel. That is the Hierophant 111.